Hello and welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson we're going to be looking at how you can go ahead and create your study journal account. So as I already outlined, we're going to be using OneNote as our example, but in essence there are so many journaling softwares out there, so you can choose whichever journaling software you want and create your account. Just make sure that it caters for maybe what you're going to be looking at. This is just an example, so I'm not saying that you must use OneNote. I'm just using this as an example of a journaling software, and also I'll just include some alternative to maybe a journaling software in the resources tab, so you can check maybe in the description of the resources, just check for an alternative journaling tool. But in this example you're going to be looking at how you can create your OneNote account. So you can just go to maybe the sign in and then just click on sign in. If you do not have an account, you can create an account. So I'm just going to show you how you can quickly create an account. So click on create an account. Then you're going to be, you just insert your email. You can use your Gmail account. Then just click on next. Then set your password. Click on next. Then OneNote is going to ask you actually to verify via code. So you want to select, actually I do not want to receive any offers, so you'll receive a verification code. Just copy that code, then enter that code into that space there, then click on next to verify your email. Typically you'll see maybe a more verification. Just click on next just to prove that you're not a robot. Then use the arrows to rotate the object. Then submit. Okay. Yeah, verification is now complete, and now your account should be ready to go. So it is just loading our information. Do you want to stay signed in? Yes. So you need to now log in again using your newly created account. Click on next. And you should be in. So this is a journaling account which has been newly created. So actually in the next lesson I'm going to show you how to set up your journaling account so that you can be ready for your annotations and daily studies. So this is how the journaling account should look. So there should be no information available if you have just created a new account, but if it is an existing account, then maybe you'll have some information. But I'll show you actually how to go about now setting it up ready for your annotations and daily logs. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.